welcome to Daily Siglos. Today's a special one because it's our very first time at Mount Washington. We booked our tickets directly from the mountwashingtoncog.com website. For adults, it's $84 and for kids, it's $61. We visited on August 18th and we totally lucked out with the weather, clear skies and cooler temps, which is super rare for August up here. The Cog Railway ride takes about 30 minutes to the top, with a full hour at the summit to explore, grab a snack, or just take in the stunning views. Then it's 30 minutes back down. We'll show you what it's like at the top a little later, but for now, let's enjoy the ride and soak in these incredible views on the way up. This is how fast the train really moves, steady and smooth. Now here's a look at some of the beautiful views we passed on the way up. As the train climbs, Amelia's loving the views, especially the clouds and all the trees zipping by. And check this out, the trees start to look like they're leaning, but it's not the trees, it's the steep angle of the mountain. The soil gets thinner and windier as we go up, so the trees grow shorter, and at a slant, it's nature's way of adapting to tough conditions. You're free to walk to the front of the train to snap photos or take videos, and trust us, you'll want to. Each train has a guide on board who shares fun facts and stories along the way. Did you know this was the first mountain climbing cog railway in the world, built way back in 1869? We also saw a ton of hikers heading up. Yup, you can hike or even drive to the summit if you're feeling adventurous. We're here, Papa. Once we reached the top, we went straight to the summit marker to take photos and videos. Thank you. We're here. Okay, let's go. Careful, Amelia, okay?
Give me Foxy so you can hold.
Yeah.
Need help? Give me Foxy. You got it? Follow her. Careful, careful. Need help? Need to wait. Stay in the line, Amelia. Stay in the line. Yes, go ahead. Okay, I got you.
Yeah. Stay right there. Stay right there, my love. Stay right there.
I got already goosebumps.
Okay, you and Papa.
High five! Are you proud of yourself?
Careful.
Do you want to get in it with them?
Okay.
Here, I'll hold you in.
Papa, look at Papa. This way, ako, Papa. Say, Amelia, I reached the summit! Do it. 1, 2, go!
The train?
Yeah.
Gonna stay here for an hour and then a train will pick us up. My hands are freezing. Here, Amelia.
Okay, let's take a selfie.
I didn't hike today.
Ooh, so chubby.
It's home.
So chubby, Papa. Oh, there's another puppy.
Take more pictures outside there. Let's go now.
Yeah. It was freezing up there. It felt like 20 degrees Fahrenheit with strong stringing
Some
winds.
coffee.
So we rushed
And
inside
hot
for a
tea.
quick warm up. Hot chocolate and muffins totally hit the spot.
This hot choco. Amelia, you're done with breakfast.
After that, we explored the other side of the summit, checked out the cool little museum.
Oh no! Look, look! There's our train! Wow! Come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on! Watch your step, watch your step! No, you're not! Look at that view!
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall down.
No, you're not! Whoa! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
When it was time to go, we lined up short tickets and hopped onto the train, this time with a different guide. The seats flipped to face downhill, and honestly, the ride back was so relaxing I actually fell asleep. The breeze was chilly and fresh, and it was the perfect end to a one-of-a-kind mountain adventure. So if you're looking for a family-friendly, unforgettable experience in New England, Mount Washington by Cog Railway is 100% worth it. Breathtaking views, mountain history, and fun for all ages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.